Protect you and your family against car crash due to foggy, dirty, and streaky windshield. Introducing ClearDrive Windshield Cleaner, the ultimate windshield cleaner and protector. Nexa ClearDrive Windshield Cleaner is your go-to solution for a spotless and protected windshield. This advanced cleaner effortlessly removes dust, dirt, insect marks, streaks, and chemical residues, all of which can significantly obstruct your view while driving. Our 5-star formula penetrates and dissolves dirt at the molecular level, delivering instant results even against the toughest grime. It doesn't just clean, it leaves your windshield with a dense, protective barrier that repels dirt, water, and oil, ensuring your glass stays crystal clear in any condition. Plus, ClearDrive Windshield Cleaner is versatile. It's not just for your windshield. It's also perfect for side mirrors, windows, paintwork, and any other surfaces on your vehicle. Keep your entire car spotless with one powerful product. What are you waiting for? Start protecting your family. Click the link below to get it at a discount.